It was pretty fun. It was nice. I pretty much live here, so.
I just really enjoyed doing different stuff. I mean, a bunch of different projects we did.
My time here at the Fab School was pretty fun. Got to learn a lot about everything pretty much, and learn a lot about myself to know what I can do and what I can do with my hands.
I liked it a lot. It was really fun, a lot of projects. It went by really fast, and I don't like that.
I had a lot of time to, go over my skills, kind of hone my skills, see what I can do with my own two hands. And it was really enjoyable for me.
It was a really good learning process for me, learning something that I've never really even done before.
My favorite project was probably the roll cage, honestly, just because all the teamwork and everything, figuring it out together, designing it together, and what we learned and everything in there. Sometimes we put a couple pick points of like the chassis where we're going to put the roll cage from, and then from there got just the A pillar and C pillar and B pillar, but then from there all the added stuff we used by hand, but just measuring tape, rulers, some string we used.
Probably the design of it, we did a NASCAR spec. Start to finish was probably one of the most time consuming, but overall the most fun. This roll cage project taught us how to do proper tube notching and clocking and timing. It really teaches you how to get your bends right on the dot, be precise.
I'd have to say the control arm, just because there's a lot of bending and a lot of, I guess, articulate work with it. You have to pretty much make sure everything came together as nicely as possible, and that's kind of the direction I want to go with my career too, is mostly suspension parts and components, things like that. So I found it really interesting.
My favorite project here at the Fab School would be the base. I think that was a really interesting project. I like working with aluminum, I like bending aluminum. Working in the sheet metal room, working on the base, we learned how to cut out the material, how to bend the material, how to shape the material.
Probably just welding. I just like TIG welding. It took a long time to be consistent at it, and Nick and Angel, the instructors here, helped me.
The suspension design, it was different. I always enjoyed drafting and doing it on paper and then watching it come to real life.
My favorite project would have to be the aluminum trash can, because how hard it was, I had to overcome how hard it was and finish the project.
Probably the bowl. It's just how they make you make the stand, and they let you create it out of whatever you want, so that's pretty fun.
I don't know, I kind of like them all.
I really appreciate all the advice and the critique, for sure, all the good times.
Really cool. I mean, I was a quiet person, but I don't know, just ask questions, they always answer your questions.
I had Nick and Robert, and I'd say they were by far the best instructors. They have as much passion for teaching you as you have for wanting to be here to learn. They want to really see you succeed and see you place well in a job.
I want to thank my instructors. They've taught me a lot. They've walked me through the whole process. I came here knowing nothing, never touching a welder.
Thank you for your patience. You guys were really cool, helping us all out.
Thank you guys for teaching me everything you guys did. Appreciate it.
Robert, he's so professional. He's always there helping you out. And Nick, I mean, he's always there to like mess around with you and have fun. But both of them are really good at what they do, so I'm pretty happy I got that.
Thank you a lot. I learned a lot from you guys, and patience especially from both of them.
Well, I got a job at RBC. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I'm just fabricating stuff for them, and it's like the best place that, like, I'm happy I got the job before I graduated.
So I just got a job at RBC. I'm a machinist for them, and I mean, it's a good start. Hopefully I can grow in with the company and become successful there.
So I landed a career opportunity at RBC as a machinist, so I'm pretty thankful for that. I'm gonna be working over there.
The advice I would give myself, looking back on the first day of school, I'd have to say, have an open mind, don't be shy, get right into it.
Pay attention, study for your tests, make yourself look good for interviews, and make as much time as possible in these 6 months, because it goes by very fast.
take my time, pay attention to detail.
Be open-minded, I guess.
Don't stress out, just stay calm, you'll figure it out. If you can't figure it now, you're gonna have fun. You're gonna learn a lot.
Practice more, get more seat time, stay after all the time you can, it's free, so might as well take advantage.
Thanks for having a good time, guys.
It's honestly been a great 6 months. You come really close with the guys and learn a lot about their personal lives, things going on. But you become a family at the end of the day, and you just want the best for each other, help pick each other up on those bad days. And I just wish everyone the best in finding jobs and pursuing their careers.
I loved all of them. They're all pretty cool, and I'm gonna miss them.
Yeah, you guys are dope. It's like school but fun.
You guys were pretty fun. We had a lot of good times, messed around a lot, and hopefully I see you guys around after school.
I'm gonna miss you guys, honestly, and probably see you guys soon in the future.
Congratulations, we made it, we didn't lose anybody, and
It was fun. Miss you guys, some of them. No, but really, I hope I get to see you guys in the industry later on in life. Have a good-
You guys came, it happened, it did happen, it was real. Now, to say the least, interesting, yeah. Different characters for sure, and it's all good. That's part of life. You're gonna get that when you go out there. You're gonna find, just like George being loud and obnoxious, right? Which, by the way, is a quiet guy in the class. To somebody else who is loud and obnoxious. But take it all in. Like I told you guys before, you're gonna find this in every place that you go. Focus on what you want to do and try your best 110% in everything you guys do. That's what I try to do, teaching you guys. Hopefully some of this stick and you're gonna use it. And hopefully one day you'll send me a picture of something badass that you're building. And I sure appreciate to hear from any of you guys. Thank you for the good times. Thank you for the better times. and yeah, 6 months. Thank you for the 6 months. Well, thank you guys. You guys are always welcome to come back and visit me or visit anybody in here and tell me what's going on with your lives. I'm always happy to hear from you guys. Well, stay on it and keep burning.